The President of India has now nominated 4 individuals to the Rajya Sabha. These nominations come in the wake of vacancies created due to retirement of previously nominated members. Those nominated are Ujjwal Nikam, a renowned public prosecutor known for handling high-profile criminal cases; Sadanand Mastey, a veteran social worker and educationist from Kerala; Harshvardhan Shringla, former Foreign Secretary of India; and Meenakshi Jain, a noted historian and academic. My colleague Akhilesh joins us with more details. Akhilesh, take us to the latest nominees for the Rajya Sabha that the President has put forward.
Well, these nominations are very interesting in the sense that among 4, 2 come from strong RSS background. If I talk about Mr. C. Sadanandan Master, who is from the Kannur district of Kerala, which is known for political violence, where the RSS and the CPM cadre has been fighting for a very long time. In fact, his legs were chopped off way back in 1995, allegedly by the CPM cadre. And that's why he was fielded by the BJP in the last assembly election as the candidate, though he could not win. But BJP now nominating him to the Rajya Sabha sends a very strong message to Kerala cadre, saying very clearly that the party high command is actually recognizing their work and their contribution. Second name is Dr. Sandhya Jain, who is a veteran historian and also academician. She has written various books articulating the Hindutva viewpoint, and that's why she has been nominated to Rajya Sabha. Third name is also very interesting. It's Ujjwal Nikam, who is a well-known public prosecutor, who was instrumental behind Kasab's hanging, and he was fielded by the BJP in the last Lok Sabha election, though he could not win. And the fourth name is also very important. Former Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla was the chief coordinator for G20 summit, also ambassador to USA and Bangladesh. He has been nominated to Rajya Sabha. So these 4 names have been nominated by the President to Rajya Sabha. These were the 4 vacancies, and now these vacancies have been filled.